At Ledroit Law, we offer a comprehensive range of legal services. Oftentimes, we find clients have questions about whether or not they should consult a lawyer. To help with this, we will cover some questions and answers for our sexual assault practice area. The questions we'll cover are: what is sexual assault? Should I call the police first? What is the age of consent? And what is considered consent? To start off with, we'll answer the question, what is sexual assault? This is an assault that has a sexual nature. Typically, the sexual integrity of the victim is violated. The court will study and take into account all items from words, gestures, and physical actions which accompany the act to determine if the assault has a sexual basis. Should I call the police first if I feel I'm a victim of sexual assault? Your first step should be to contact a lawyer specializing in this area. The sexual abuse lawyer can advise you on how to speak with the police and how the evidence can be used in your favor. Legal advice is a necessity. What is the age of consent in Canada? There are 3 answers to this question. The first answer is that a person at the age of 16 is able to consent with sexual contact with another person. At the age of 12 to 13, they are legally able to consult to sexual activity only if the other person isn't in a position of authority, isn't a person that has a relationship of dependency with them, and the relationship is not exploitative. At the age of 14 to 15, the same conditions apply as a 12 to 13-year-old, along with if the 14-year-old is married, they will consent to sexual activity with their wife and husband. What is considered consent? If the person is over the age of consent, the only issue would be if the sexual assault was consensual or not. Consent means both parties agree to engage in sexual activity. The information provided is not legal advice and cannot replace a legal consultation with a lawyer. If you have more questions, call our office at 519-432-9051.